influences you and your behavior. To maintain progress toward your goals, you need to manage these influences effectively. Key types of influences include: first, input. What you feed your mind. Second, associations. The people you spend time with. Third, environment, your surroundings. How to control your input. Step 1. Stand guard. You're bound to encounter negativity and distractions everywhere. From billboards and news channels to conversations with friends and family. While you can't completely avoid these influences, you can take proactive steps to minimize their impact. For instance, consider canceling subscriptions to negative media, avoiding commercial-filled TV shows, and choosing educational or inspirational content instead. The goal is to prevent your mind from being polluted by unnecessary negativity. If you limit exposure to harmful media and focus on positive, enriching content, you'll find yourself better equipped to achieve your goals. Step 2. Driving time. By listening to instructional CDs or other educational content during your commute, you can effectively transform your car into a mobile classroom. This practice allows you to learn and grow in areas such as leadership, sales, or personal development, turning what would otherwise be wasted time into a productive learning experience. Associations. The people you spend time with. The people you spend time with. Your success is heavily influenced by your reference group, the people you spend the most time with. They impact your habits, attitudes, and outcomes. As Jim Rohn has said, we become the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. If your circle has negative habits or attitudes, it will affect you too. Surround yourself with people who reflect the success and qualities you aspire to achieve. Environment, your surroundings. Changing your environment can significantly impact your perspective and ambitions. Jim Rohn's experience highlights this. He sought to elevate his life by immersing himself in a more affluent area, Tiburon. His exposure to a higher standard of living fueled his ambition, leading him to achieve his dream of owning a magnificent